Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the old farts garage. Well, actually, we're not in the garage today. I'm actually going to physical therapy, and then I'm seeing my doctor today, getting this finally off. Get the stitches off of it too. Pull them stitches. They itch like crazy. So, anyways, I'm on my way to the doctors and physical therapy, and hopefully starting tomorrow or maybe Thursday or so, definitely before the weekend, get back on that 63 and finish it up. It's been too long. I should have been done already. But anyhow, we'll come back after my appointment and tell you how it went. All right. Talk to you later.
Okay, so we're done with physical therapy, and now we're heading up to see the doctor.
All right, guys, so that was my visit to the doctor and my physical therapist. All is well. Just trying to back out of the parking lot here. And stitches are out. No more bandages. Doctor's giving me the okay to go ahead and continue on with. Boy, these people don't know how to drive over here. He gave me the okay to go ahead and continue on with my truck, with the restoration. He said, just don't go pulling any motors or anything heavy. He said, but sanding and painting, no problem. He goes, I can go ahead and continue on with that. So I guess it's back to working on the 63. I want to thank you guys for coming along with me today. And I hope you guys continue to follow. So please subscribe, hit the like button, and thanks for all the support. Y'all have a good day now, and God bless.